sweet child of mine. Okay, pretty loud. So we have the Philips portable radio 1000 series in the office today for unboxing, first impressions and first test of this analog FM and MW radio. So if you follow the channel, you probably know that we totally love analog radios. Recently we unboxed and checked the IVA portable radio, which is a fantastic one with very high scores across the net. But today we are gonna focus with this Philips, a bit more budget compared to the IVA and a bit smaller and lightweight. And now let's take a look at the packaging first, so you can have an idea how the package looks like and the basic features and the information that you can see here. So basically it's portable radio with FM and MW frequencies. It has headphone jacks, which is very nice addition for such small and budget oriented radio, and of course the built-in speaker, which we're gonna test later today. So this is the most important information about the radio. Of course it is battery powered. I'll share with you in a minute how you can swap batteries in this one. And now let's open it and see what is inside. Hopefully there's gonna be analog radio inside. And here it is, super light and compact. Let's open it. Here it is. It looks beautiful, to be honest. Real nice to the touch, a real nice feeling. And here is the back, and here is the battery opening. So you need two batteries, AAA batteries, in order to get it going. Let's close this one, and here you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can plug your more quality headphones compared to the speaker and listen to better quality sound out of this analog radio. Of course we have the tuning dials, we have the on and off and the volume here and the frequency tuning on this dial right here. Relatively simple to operate, and the antenna is on top, as we can guess. So, and here we have information about the frequencies. Left is the FM and right is the MW. Very compact in the hand, as you can see, very small, portable. Now it's lighter because the batteries are not inside. It's gonna get heavier. Let's see what else is in the box before we proceed. I don't think there are batteries included in that one, which is a bit strange. In the IVA that I recently tested, we had batteries, so we have some instructions manuals inside. And let's see what else. Nothing else, so no batteries included in that one. So no applauses for Philips this time. In some of their products they include quality batteries, so you can try it immediately. Yes, of course I have batteries here on site and we're gonna test it in a second, but I'm not happy with the fact that didn't include batteries. Probably it would be a bit more expensive, $1 or $2, but I would appreciate if it came with batteries. And now after the unboxing, let's give it a quick try and see how it sounds. So I found two spare batteries that I hope are going to be enough to power this radio up. Once again, Philips, not a good job. Please include some kind of batteries, even if they're basic, so if someone buys it they can run it immediately. So as you can see, I'll place the two batteries like this. I'll close the lid and let's try to power it up. Here, as you can see, you have on and off switch. Now let's Open the antenna a bit and see how is the tuning. So we have some Guns N' Roses tuned. We are on FM right now, and let's pump it up and see how loud it goes. Sweet child of mine. Okay, pretty loud. Don't expect any bass coming out of this. So pretty strong signal, to be honest. I noticed that it catches station pretty easy. And here is the switch from FM to NW. But during the first test I'm pretty much impressed with the signal that it catches. The sound quality is acceptable, but not very special. Of course, it is a budget-oriented radio, but we'll test it furthermore and upload a short to mid-term and long-term review about the sound quality and day-to-day usage of this radio. Check the channel for the other interesting radio that we recently reviewed. It's the IVA. I'll also post a link in the description and the end of this video. It's a very nice radio that is currently my favorite analog radio, so you should definitely check it and stay tuned for other interesting gadget reviews.